Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to rotate images directly in Google Chrome using a simple extension. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the main menu. This menu gives you access to all of Chrome's settings and features. Next, hover your mouse over the extensions option in the menu. You'll notice a submenu appears when you do this. From that submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to Chrome's official extension marketplace where you can find thousands of tools to enhance your browsing experience. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type Flip Rotate Image and hit Enter. This extension is specifically designed to help you rotate and flip images directly within your browser without needing any external software. From the search results, click on the Flip Rotate Image extension to open its details page. On this page, you'll see an Add to Chrome button. Click on that button to begin the installation process. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. Click Add Extension to complete the setup. The extension will install in just a few seconds and is now ready to use. Now that the extension is installed, locate any image you want to rotate in your Google Chrome browser. This could be an image on a web page, a photo you've opened, or any picture displayed in Chrome. Once you've found the image, right-click directly on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. In the context menu, look for and click on Alat Gambar. This is the extension you just installed, and clicking it will reveal all the rotation and flip options available to you. You'll now see several rotation choices. Click Padar 90 degree to rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise. If you need a different angle, click Padar 180 degree to flip it upside down, or Padar 270 degree to rotate it 270 degrees. You can also click Balak horizontal to flip the image horizontally from left to right, or Balak vertical to flip it vertically from top to bottom. If you want to undo any changes and return the image to its original orientation, simply click Reset Gambar to reset the rotation completely. And that's it, you've successfully rotated your image in Google Chrome using the Flip Rotate Image extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.